So what's up? I have a problem. I love collecting garbage! Yeah, what he said. But the garbage gave me a great idea. This motor looks a whole lot like what they use to power the ODM gear in Attack on Titan. But, is it even possible? Alright, test one with 8.3 pounds. Test 2 with 16.9 pounds. $41.3 pounds. It's still lifting it fast. Great! That was a lot more than I thought it'd be able to handle. Now, how do we get it to hold 200 pounds? Watch this.
Your rotation proceeds. That's how far
I should have been a pilot. All you need to know is that a big thing turning a small thing makes more torque. Now let's build this thing. I started with a construction harness from Facebook Marketplace, and I had some fun practicing with it. I didn't have much free time this semester, so I worked rain or shine. After a little bit of time in my makeshift shelter, I got the backplate done. Huge thank you to Jake Laser for sending me this plasma cutter. There's absolutely no way I could have pulled this project off without you. Next, after cutting the frame, I used my hillbilly lathe to get my parts to a tolerance of, say, plus or minus an inch. To make the holes as precise as possible, I used my laser to mark out where they would be, and then took it to the drill press. After making sure it fit, I welded the smaller diameter disc to it to complete the motor adapters. Now, unfortunately, I forgot to include the battery and motor weight into my calculations, and so began integration hell, doing everything I could to get the weight down without sacrificing speed. Oh, and safety. Next up is the electronics. I'm using parts from my old electric skateboard with wireless remotes to run the motors together. After initial failures, I attempted to use the motor's built-in Hall effect cables, but they made them run even worse. Oh well, let's take it for a test run. Alright, first official wall running test. Here we go. That's holding! That is holding me! It sounds like it's breaking itself in half, but it's holding.
So even after some tinkering and even like adding the Hall effect cables, still just can't handle my weight. So if at first you don't succeed, add more motors. Now, you're probably wondering, how am I going to afford all this?
I love collecting garbage! Instead of studying for my finals, I went out and found every free refrigerator on campus and hilariously transported them. With my newfound funding, all I had to do was completely redo the design and double all my electronics, giving me an estimated payload capacity of 320 pounds. Unfortunately, now the gear itself was 60 pounds. But hey, it should finally work.
Somewhere else. Nope. No, still too big.
Well, it worked! And so much better than I thought it would. It is so much better than my previous grappling project. As much as I want to keep working on it, and have it include all the other features that ODM gear has, I really don't. This thing is hell on the organs. It's given me the worst headaches of my life, and like terrible back pain. Point of it just being unbearable and impossible to wear for more than 10 minutes. I might come back to it in the future, but for the time being, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'd like to thank everybody who helped me make this video, my girlfriend Simran, and everybody else who supported me along the way. Thank you so much.